Hey there, tech enthusiasts. It's Daniel here, and today we're diving deep into the heart of technology. You know, the deeper you delve into tech, the more it feels like you're learning a new language. And let's be honest, sometimes this language sounds like it's from another planet. Today, we're breaking down that barrier and decoding some of the most used, and often misunderstood, tech jargons. Ready to bridge that gap between geek and everyday user? Let's dive in. First on our list, cache. No, not the thing pirates are after, and definitely not the stuff in your wallet. In tech, the cache is a type of high-speed volatile computer memory. In simpler terms, it provides high-speed data access to the processor and stores frequently used computer programs and data. Think of it like your brain's short-term memory. Next up, bandwidth. Imagine a highway. The wider it is, the more cars it can handle at once. Similarly, in tech, bandwidth refers to the maximum rate of data transfer across a network. More bandwidth means smoother streaming and faster downloads. Ever heard of GPU? That's a graphics processing unit. But let's keep it simple. It's like a wizard that takes care of displaying images and videos on your screen. If you're into gaming or video editing, a powerful GPU is your best friend. Malware. Sounds nasty, right? That's because it is. It's short for malicious software. This is a software specifically designed to harm or exploit any device. It's like the villain in the world of tech. And last for today, cloud computing. No, it's not computing done on fluffy clouds in the sky. It simply means storing and accessing data over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. It's like keeping your treasures in a secure vault instead of under your bed. And there you have it. 5 tech terms decoded. The world of technology can seem daunting, but once we break down the jargon, it becomes a lot more approachable. Got more tech terms you want demystified? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, understanding tech makes it a tool, not a challenge. Subscribe for more tech insights, and until next time, I'm Daniel, keeping technology simple for everyone. Take care.